Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to edit hosts file in Windows 11. So just follow some easy steps. Click on Start, open File Explorer. Now open local disk C. Now here guys, open this Windows folder. Now find out System32 folder. Open it. Now open Drive folder. So open this drivers folder. Here guys, you will see ATC folder. So open it. And here you will see this host file, and in case you are not able to see here, so click on view, show, and check this box hidden items, so you will be able to see. Now drag and drop on your desktop screen. It will ask permissions, so click on continue. Now right click on this host file and click on open with select notepad. So here is this host file, you can edit here, and once you edit, click on file and save. Once you save, drag and drop again here. It will ask permissions, so click on yes. That's it. So like this guys, you can edit host file in Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Please comment if this video useful for you or not.